Morning.
Morning. Okay, today my mom's having spaghetti, sweet spaghetti like Filipino style, and then puto. Ate Norma made it, and what was this one? Pork.
Pork with
What do you call this one?
pork with igado.
This is called igado. And noodles and rice. Of course, we're Asians, so we eat like this for breakfast. It was my nephew's birthday yesterday, so I didn't have time.
This is the leftover.
Yeah, the leftover. It's too many people, so that's why I didn't do video. So let's eat. I don't like sweet. I like my coffee sweet, but not food.
Yung puto ni Norma masarap.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to make it. So it's flour, egg. No egg. What kind of a cheese is that? What kind of a cheese?
Any cheese. Kahit na lang cheese, pwede yan.
I'm not really into puto. It's lovely weather outside, so...
Ganda. Magmamura ko bukas.
I help you if you want. There's no train tomorrow.
Nalasing ako kagabi ha.
Yeah. Next, I'm gonna try to do the chicken feet. First, I think Norma said first boil it and then after that fry it. Oh, that's nice. So do challenge with me, Mom.
No. Hindi ako pwede na ngayon dahil may inana akong kumain.
No, it's gonna be more fun.
Kasi may inana akong kumain. Pag tumatanda
Okay, my mom not gonna do the challenge with me because she said she's getting old, so.
Pag tumatanda ka, may inana kumain.
They have hair. Okay, sorry, I need to change my food. I'm not really into ginger or garlic. I'm into onion. Onion is nice. You love onion as well, hindi ma?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, the market is closed now, I think.
Yeah. Nakahapon yun.
I'm sure.
Nice. Gutom ata ako.
It's more.
No,
But I didn't eat much yesterday.
You know, pag ikaw nagluluto, hindi na ako gutom.
Mom, I'm a chef to myself, of course, I know.
Kaya nga.
It's only pork, isn't it? We do this when in the Philippines and they can try it. Oh, look, it's a lot. Why do you put chili?
Para para masarap na ano.
You should cut it big, so... You can have a spring roll later and chicken wings and but you gonna cook, ma. Look, do you like this, ma'am? Not like this, look. Almost the same. See? How did you like my new name, ma'am? No, do you like it? I changed my name.
No, because your name is Michelle, not
No.
Angel.
My nickname is gonna be Michelle. My real name is gonna be Angel.
Good.
So if I win a lottery, I save up, I change my name. But it's gonna be Hustle. Isn't it?
I don't know, because I didn't do that one.
It's so much agamang. That's me.
O yun nga yung nalalasahan mo yung alamang.
Yeah. It's so strong. I just brush my teeth properly. Have you tried to eat sisig before, Mom?
No, maanghang.
No, you can order without the spicy. I'm talking about when you were young.
Yeah, nung bata pa ako talagang kumakain ako ng maanghang.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Sili, kinakain ko yung sili. Kaya lang, meron akong asthma. Kaya pagka kumain ako ng maanghang, takayin ako ng asthma.
Yeah, I remember before you were I think when I was 12, first time when I come here in 1993, you ate chili, remember?
Yeah. Kumain ko yung buong chili. Masarap kainin ng maanghang. Tsaka
Now,
gamot sa katawan din yung maanghang.
yeah, they said it's good for you to lose weight if you eat spicy food. I like spicy food, but not super spicy.
Hindi mo alam kung ano po. Kaya nga, pagka umaraw ngayon, kailangan gawin mo na yung gagawin mo. Bukas di mo alam uulan.
The weather here is like human being, you know that? It's like me. Isn't it?
English weather is difficult weather. Hapon umulan, ang ganda-ganda ng araw ng umaga.
Yeah.
Hapon umulan.
I enjoyed my breakfast, but it ruined the first one.
Finish. Thank you. See you, alligator, and see you later.
Yeah. Don't be sure to join us later because I know for sure it's gonna be fun. We're going to church. We're going to look around
Sa
and
Liverpool
and
Street.
yeah, and then day off. So I'm gonna try my best to do a video with my mom. It depends my moods, honestly. If I'm in a good mood, I will do video. If not, what is yesterday? It was sales. So, but do you know how to play this?
No.
You don't like this game?
No.
This is my favorite game. Relax your mind.
Occupy your brain.
Huh?
Occupy your brain.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.